welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'll show you how to reset the service now on this. So what you'll have to do is kind of turn the ignition on, as we have there. Some of them have got the switch here, but this one doesn't. So the ones that don't have it, what you'll have to do is use this little so we'll have to press OK. So you come off there and hit the side button. So if you were on the main menu, hit this here to go left, to go onto these menus, and then you scroll down and you come down to service intervals and then reset, and then hit OK, obviously, service reset. So now if we was to come back out of this and turn the vehicle on, so it's all gone. So if I come back up, there we go. So there is no warning now. So even if I did this, check tire pressure, and that's it. So to do it, as I said, hit the left button and it comes onto this menu, and then go into service interval, reset, okay, done. That's how you do it.